Hello everyone and welcome to Whimsy Creek Art. Alright, in today's video I'm going to review Hippie Crafter's paint pouring paint set. So it's a set of 24 ready to pour paints, and so it's already mixed up with a pouring medium. You do not have to mix anything in with this. You just can pour straight out of the bottle. In today's video, I do 5 different techniques. I like to do several techniques when I'm reviewing or testing out a new product, so you can really tell what techniques do best, or it just is a better testing if you do multiple techniques, in my opinion. So here it is. This is the Hippie Crafter Acrylic Pouring Paint Set, and this is 24 colors. These are amazing colors, so beautiful, super vibrant, just beautiful colors. They are very glossy, ultra pigmented. They are water-based, and they already have the pouring medium in it, so they're ready to go. And so today's video, I am pouring on ceramic tiles. So here's a few colors I chose, beautiful colors. A phthalo blue. And this is a 24 pack of 2-ounce bottles, beautiful colors. An emerald green. I chose kind of some jewel tones, titanium white, or kind of some peacock colors, and a metallic purple. In this set there are metallic colors and regular colors. They're all very vibrant, beautiful colors, and they dry very true to color. All right, a metallic copper gold. That is my favorite gold lately. Oh my gosh, that's a beautiful gold. And Viridian. There's also a metallic Viridian in this set. This rose is my new favorite color. That is a gorgeous rose. And there's also a metallic rose in this set. And a cobalt blue. And a metallic blue. And last but not least, the metallic sapphire blue. So I chose several blues and kind of just some jewel tones. So for this first pour, it is a tree ring pour, or a straight pour. I've took the lids off the bottles, and if you notice, I've kind of tilting the cup up, and I'm pouring them kind of down the side, and so that's so they layer in the cup just perfectly, instead of, I don't want them to mix. I want to have layers in the cup for this technique. And so now I'm just going to pour straight on this, so you don't need too much paint, because this is a 4-inch tile, and these are just ceramic tiles from Lowe's or Home Depot, or the Habitat for Humanity's Restore also a lot of times have tiles. So they're just regular old glossy ceramic tiles, and the only preparation I've done for them is I do wipe them down with just alcohol, just to kind of clean them, and that's it. You just want to make sure they're nice and clean. That's the only preparation. So all right, I just pour that one in. And so for this video, I do 5 different techniques actually on the 4 tiles. So I do a tree ring pour, then I do a flip cup, then I do a dirty pour, then I do a swipe, and then I think it was on the dirty pour actually, I do a blown flower kind of in the center of the dirty pour, because I just wanted to see how it would flow with the blown flower. So I'm just getting all the edges, just stretching this. These flow beautifully. They flow beautifully, they dry beautifully, they are super vibrant, and some paint brands, sometimes when you dry them, they will dry much darker. These dry pretty much what you see right there is how they dry, and I will share in a community post a picture of all the dried tiles. These paint pouring already pre-mixed set of 24 from Hippie Crafter is beautiful. It's amazing. I just love it. Super vibrant, beautiful colors. And if you want to get yourself a set, I will have the links down below in the description to get yourself a set of these paint pouring, a set of 24 acrylic paint pour set. 24 2-ounce bottles. And they're at Hippie Crafter. They have amazing customer service. I have really appreciated their customer service. They are really on top of things and really work hard to put out a real good quality product. And so that is Hippie Crafter, Hippie Crafter, CRAFTER.com, and the links will be down below in the description. But I also have a video on reviewing their mica powders, and I will have many future videos again reviewing the mica powders a little bit more, doing some more things. I'm going to make the mica powders, do some DIY alcohol inks with some of the mica powders, and then I will have also a future video using these these already pre-mixed pouring acrylic in some different techniques on some canvas. And so look forward to some future videos with some more Hippie Crafter products. And I really like these. I've done some reviews on some other pre-mixed paint on my channel, and by far this is my favorite pre-mixed paint that I have used so far. By far. I honestly did not enjoy some of the other pre-mixed paints that I've used, but these ones, I enjoyed how they did each of the techniques. I enjoyed how they dried really well. They dry really super glossy, and so I really like them everything about them. I really liked them. So, all right, check out HippieCrafter.com. Thank you so much, and I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the video to music, and go ahead and check out the swipe is my favorite one out of these techniques. And make sure to stay to the end to see the blown flower on this next one. At the very end, I go back and put a blown flower across the top. So, all right, thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.